Welcome to the review of HyperOffice, a comprehensive platform designed for team collaboration and productivity. HyperOffice offers an all-in-one solution with features like document management, project tracking, calendar syncing, and email communication, which can help businesses streamline their workflow. When you first land on the homepage, you're greeted with a sleek, professional design showcasing the core features of the platform. HyperOffice's primary goal is to simplify collaboration by combining several tools into one easy-to-use interface. The dashboard is intuitive, with a clear navigation menu that lets you quickly jump into the areas you need, whether that's team messaging, document sharing, or task management. One of the standout features of HyperOffice is its document management system, which allows teams to share and collaborate on files in real time. You can upload, edit, and store documents in a centralized location, making it easy for teams to stay organized and on the same page. Another significant feature is project management. With HyperOffice, you can create tasks, set deadlines, and assign responsibilities. The platform provides a visual overview of project progress, which is perfect for tracking milestones and ensuring that everything stays on track. Additionally, HyperOffice integrates with your calendar and email, so you can schedule meetings and receive notifications without leaving the platform. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do check them out after watching the video for additional resources and tools that could be useful for your business. Now, let's take a look at some of the customization options. HyperOffice allows you to create custom workflows, so you can tailor the platform to fit your team's specific needs. Whether you're managing a small project or a large-scale operation, these customizable features ensure that HyperOffice adapts to your business. The platform also includes robust security features, like data encryption, multi-factor authentication, and access controls, which are essential for protecting sensitive company information. Whether you're dealing with financial records or confidential client information, HyperOffice has you covered. Overall, HyperOffice is a solid platform for teams looking for a unified tool to manage projects, communicate, and collaborate. It's user-friendly, feature-rich, and flexible enough to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. But, as with any tool, there are some areas for improvement, particularly in terms of mobile app performance and speed. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews of the latest tools and software. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below.